In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ClickUp to Google Calendar and schedule your tasks so they appear on your calendar automatically. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. This is where you'll manage the setup and choose which tasks you want to send to your calendar. Once you're inside your workspace, head over to the sidebar and open the App Center. In the search area, type in Google Calendar, then select the Google Calendar integration from the results. Next, choose the option to connect your Google Calendar. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account and authorize ClickUp to access your calendar. This permission is what allows ClickUp to create and update calendar events based on your tasks. After the connection is complete, your Google Calendar will be available inside ClickUp. Now it's time to set up task syncing. Inside the Google Calendar integration settings, look for the option called Sync Tasks to Calendar. Click Manage, and then select Add Sync. This is the part where you define exactly which tasks should flow into your Google Calendar. From here, choose the ClickUp location that contains the tasks you want to schedule. This could be a space, folder, subfolder, or list, depending on how your workspace is organized. Then select your Google Calendar as the destination and click Add Sync. This creates the link between your ClickUp tasks and the calendar you want to use. Once the sync is in place, open the ClickUp task you want to schedule. Add a start date and a due date. If needed, you can also assign specific start and due times. This is important because tasks with dates can be synced to Google Calendar, and tasks with exact times will appear more precisely on your schedule. After that, open Google Calendar. Your ClickUp task should appear there as a calendar event once the sync updates. If the task includes specific start or due times, it will show at those times. If no exact time is set, it may appear as an all-day event. You can also schedule tasks directly from the ClickUp Planner. Open Planner, find the task in the Planner sidebar, and drag it onto a time slot on the calendar. This schedules the task as a focus time block, which is helpful when you want to visually plan your workday. Finally, open your connected Google Calendar and confirm the scheduled time. Your ClickUp task should now be visible there. Keep in mind that changes to the task name, start date, start time, due date, or due time can update the linked Google Calendar event. Thanks for watching.